Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add Cash App to your Shopify. So first of all, you need to go to the settings, and in this menu you need to find payments. Go there and scroll down until you will see manual payment methods. You need to click this plus button right here. You need to click this button right here to add a manual payment method, and then click create custom payment method. Now we need to enter all of the necessary information manually. So let's name it Cash App Payments. Now we need to enter the additional details. Send me the payments through this link on Cash App. And people can send you money through Cash App, and right here in payment instructions you need to enter your Cash App link. So you need to write cash.app/ and your cash tag, guys. So this is my cash tag right here, and this is my personal Cash App link. So I will just copy this link and I will paste it right here, and then click the activate button right here. So that's how you can add Cash App as a payment method on Shopify. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.